As you can see, today is a bit dull and grey, and I'm trying to find the courage to install our washing machine, which I have found, and I'm going to do that. So you will be enjoying the work I do. You sit back, relax. I'll do the labor for this time. It's okay. I'm okay with that. Follow for more. Well, our washing machine lives in here for now. It's in the box in the back there. But I've got to get me a piece of wood first so I can hang it up inside the closet. And it's this piece. No city lights, just the stars tonight. I've got a secret storage space for my tools. Rapapa, rapapa. As the sun sets, so let's get back and take the car wherever we wanna go. Let's just see how far we get it on down the road. Where we'll sleep tonight, no, we don't need to know. As long as the feeling's right, well, we can take it slow. We can take the car wherever we wanna go. Let's just see how far we get it on down the road. Where we'll sleep tonight, no, we don't need to know. As long as the feeling's right. We can take the car wherever we wanna go. Let's just see how far we get it on down the road. Where we'll sleep tonight, no, we don't need to know. As long as the feeling's right, well, we can take it slow. We can take it slow. We can take it slow. Beautiful moment, because rapapa, rapapa, bear with me. How nice is that?
Hello there people, here is the washer and I'm gonna give it a test run. I open the door, I put the laundry in, I just grabbed something, so, oh yes, and then I'm gonna touch, beep, very short, the power, and then I'm going to choose which one I want. This is Baby Care 90 degrees, and that is a program to wash baby clothes or 100% cotton products and clothing requiring steam wash and bleaching. Now this does not have to bleach, of course, but I thought the steam wash is very nice, so I just pressed it on. I have chosen the program, and then I have to close the door again, of course, and then I have to press start. Ooh. And now we hope it's not gonna leak anywhere. And if it would leak there. But it doesn't at the moment. Haha! Yeah, you don't see anything because the door is so black and dark. But this is it. So It's gonna take 29 minutes if I am correct. So I will be back in a few minutes, in a half an hour. I'm still here. I just wanted to see. This is so funny, guys. Oh. And there he is again.